Okay, students, moving on to this next subject, English literature. The chapter we are going to do today is chapter 5, The Man Cub. Now, this story is about a family, that is Dr. Nair's family, and he comes home from his work early. Now, he has three children, Uma, Amit, and Smita, and they are very happy to see their father has come home early. Now they all sit on a carpet in their room, and their mother, she serves them some pakoras to eat since it be raining. Okay, it be a rainy day and they all want to eat something hot. So the mother serves them some pakoras, and they tell their father to tell them a story. So the father tells all three of them a story. Now the story is about a man cub. Okay, so Mani and his wife, they live near a forest. Now they are living near a forest and they have a baby boy. So let's see further what happens in the story. As I read the lesson, I will be explaining you. But I want you to read the lesson in your home. Clear? So let's start. Chapter 5, The Man Cub. Let us first do these riddles. Match these animal riddles with their answers. Okay. The first one is, how is an elephant like a tree? Now, how are they both the same? How do they look the same? Why? Because both have trunks. So you will write here number 1. Why does a cow moo? Its horns don't work. Because the horns that is there on his head, they don't work. So it moves. Which key cannot open locks? Which keys cannot open lock? Monkeys and donkeys, they cannot open locks. So you will write your number 3. Clear? Now let's start with the explanation of the chapter. It's a rainy day. Now it was raining that day. Dr. Nair comes home early. Dr. Nair is coming home early. His children, Uma, Amit, and Smita, are very happy to see him. When your father comes early from his work, you all are happy to see him. So, same way, Uma, Amit, and Smita were very happy to see their father. They sit on a rug in the living room near their father. Now, what is a rug? A rug is a carpet, a thick carpet for them to sit on it. Mrs. Nair serves hot pakoras to everyone. Now, the mother, that is Mrs. Nair, she's serving hot pakoras to everyone. Papa, please tell us a story, says Uma. Now, Uma is telling her father, please tell us a story. And Dr. Nair begins, and the father begins telling them a story. Mani and his wife live near a forest. Now he's starting with the story, so he's saying Mani and his wife, they both are living near the forest and they have a baby boy. One day they go deep into the forest to get honey. Now one day what happens? They go deep into the forest to get some honey. They put the baby down on the soft grass under a tree. They put the baby on the soft grass. The grass is very soft and it was under a tree. When they are busy collecting honey, and they were busy collecting honey. Now what happens? Fifi the fox takes the baby away. Now what happens when they both were collecting honey? Fifi the fox, he comes and takes the baby and runs away. My cubs can play with the man cub, she says. Now Fifi says, my cubs, they can play with the man cub, and they take away the baby. But Minnie the monkey sees the baby and says, now Minnie is the monkey. Minnie is the name of a monkey, and she sees the baby and she says, I want to play with the man cub. Now she says, I want to play with this little man cub. Then Ellie the elephant. Now the name of the elephant is Ellie. Here the name of the monkey is Minnie. Now what is Ellie saying? I want to play with the man cub too. Now he also wants to play with the little man cub. Then all the animals shout. All the animals started making a big noise and they started shouting. We want to play with the man cub too. Now all the animals also in the jungle, they wanted to play with the man cub. Bonnie the bear. Now the name of the bear is Bonnie. Here the name of the monkey was Minnie. Name of the elephant was Ellie, and here the name of the bear is Bonnie. is afraid. Now he is getting very frightened. Mani will find us and punish us. Now what is she saying? The man cub's father will come and shout at us and will punish us. Mani will find. When Mani searches for us, he will punish us. Fifi says, silly Mani cannot find us. Now Fifi is who? The fox. The name of this fox was Fifi. Now what is she saying? Fifi says, Mani cannot find us. You are very silly and Mani will never be able to find us. Whoever answers my questions correctly can play with the man cub. Now what he says? Whoever can answer my questions can play with the man cub. Minnie, your turn first. Now Minnie is who? The monkey. Minnie's turn is first. Who can run faster than I can? Now what is he asking the question? Who can run faster than I can? Turn to the next page. Minnie replies, I can, I can. Minnie saying, I can. Not correct. Chinu, the cheetah, can run faster than I. Now, name of the cheetah is Chinu. Now, not correct. Chinu, the cheetah, can run faster than I can. Ellie. Now, what is Ellie saying? The elephant. Who is bigger than you? The elephant is saying, who is bigger than you? I think Rini the rhino is bigger than I am. Now the name of the rhino is Rini. Now what is the elephant saying? I feel that the rhino is bigger. Wrong. You are bigger than all of us. Now it's saying wrong. The elephant is bigger than everyone. Just then Mani and his friends find them. What happens? Mani and the friends, they find them. They are holding spears. Here in this picture, these are called spears. Okay, a weapon with long wooden handles. These are long wooden handles and they have got sharp metals over here. Okay, this is a spear. The animals are afraid and rush to hide behind the trees. The animals are very afraid and they all rush behind the trees. Fifi quickly puts the baby on the ground. Now Fifi the fox, he quickly puts the baby on the ground. Mani sees Fifi. Now Mani sees Fifi. He tells her, Fifi. Fifi. See, I am smarter than you and I am stronger than all the animals. Now what he says? I am smarter than you and I am stronger than all the animals. But Mani does not hurt the animals. But Mani, he never touches them, any of the animals. He only picks up his baby and goes away. He picks up the baby quietly and he goes away. Is that clear? Okay, children? Fine. Now I will read the lesson once for you and I request you all to read the lesson at home.